our Indian students have been offered 1,500 places by the Prime Minister for matriculation every year. And as promised, last year they did give the 1,500. But based on what we have as our we have only 891 who registered, and out of that 350 gave appeal, and subsequent to that only 250 registered. Now in total that means we have got about 1,050 people who actually went for this thing, and subsequently 450 were not given a place. Basically, I would like to ask this question: is it because our society is lacking knowledge on this, or is it they are lacking interest in education, or is it because they do not know what is going on at policy level? So the question here now is, what is our community leader, or what are our community leaders per se, or political parties that so-called represent the Indian community, what are they going to do? What are the steps taken to make sure that this year we have 1,500 students receive the matriculation without listening to the same thing again and again? The same thing, oh, we have to fight for the extra, we have to fight for this, we have to take this, we have to beg the government. If you are a part of the ruling government, there is no question of why you have to fight for it. It has been given. The question is, what have you done to make sure this information is disseminated? You see, Yang Berhormat Kamalanathan happens to be the Deputy Education Minister, and I believe that that is an extra boon for the Indian community. But the question is, you don't expect him as a Deputy Minister to walk down right up to the last house in this country and ask him to register all the students. He must have a team. He represents MIC, he represents Barisan Nasional. Now what is MIC going to do to back him up, to collect the data, to verify the results, to tally and to ensure the qualification of the students for the 1,500 places offered? Then from there, I believe, as the Deputy Education Minister, he has to take this forward to the Education Ministry to make sure that we get this done without any unnecessary problems. You must have people who have passion about education, because if you want to move forward, if you don't have a passion towards educating the community is going to go down the slope. As it is today, we have a lot of unnecessary and unwarranted problems in the Indian community, stemming from poverty, the lack of education, and the lack of awareness of what the government has to offer. So I believe MIC as a representative should take more initiatives instead of just being a party that goes for elections, but comes forward to make sure that these students actually receive the education that they are supposed to receive. Inculcate this habit of teaching them to be good while they are young itself.